Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we're doing the Early's Indie Movement live swatches. So if you love videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll have all of the sales info down below for you. And we are going to jump right in with our first polish. This is Lizzy Lacquer, Happiness Because of You. This is a purple, hollow, and flaky polish. It'll be $12 with no cap, and the shop opens on February 12th until February 19th. So, first impressions, this polish has some amazing opacity, and that's in no small part to the fact that it's packed with flakies. It's packed with purple hollow. And while the hollow isn't that noticeable, the flakies more than make up for it. So I personally appreciate it because it's a darker purple polish, and I feel like you get more of the hollow impact if you're doing 2 or more coats. Next up is another Lizzy Lacquer, and this is part of the duo. This one is called Happiness After You. This one is described as a green hollow and flaky polish, also just $12 with no cap. Now, again, the hollow doesn't come right at you in that first coat, but the opacity is completely wonderful. Like, first coat, you get a lot of coverage. And then on that second coat, that's when you start seeing some of the hollow and getting a lot of that flaky impact. And I think it's a gorgeous green. Definitely something I'll pull out around Christmas. Next up is Daveen Lacquers, one of my favorite brands, and this one is called XOXO, or Hugs and Kisses, or Kisses and Hugs. This one is described as a bright pink with a subtle red to gold to green shimmer. This one will be $12, and there is a cap of just 30. So if you guys are loving this pink as much as I am, you're definitely going to be wanting to hit that site immediately, and I will have all that information down below for you. But that is simply gorgeous. Loving the glow. Next up is MJ Lacquer's Violets Are Blue, and I am in love with this polish. So I don't normally like thermals. They're hard to photograph for me, but the color transition on this makes it worth it. So it's purple in its cold state, turquoise in its warm state, and it has micro glitter, purple to indigo aurora shimmer, and blue to green to gold color shifting flakies. This one is going to be also $12 with a cap of 25. So you are definitely going to want to have your ninja fingers for this beauty. And next up is Lynn B Designs I Complete Me. And I put emphasis on I Complete Me because I thought that was such a cool name. So this is a medium toned pink with hollow flakies and pink to silver to green shifting shimmer. This one is also going to be $12 with no cap. So if you were liking XOXO, but you feel like it's going to be a little too much for you to pull off, try Lynn B's I Complete Me. And now for one of my favorites out of the bunch. This is Color Spectrum Polish Dinner for Two. This is a rose red base with pink shimmer, purple microflakies, pink hollow glitter, and pink to blue purple shifting UCC flakies. This one will be just $12 with a cap of 40. So I am loving how bright this red is. It's like cherry, fire engine, red Camaro red. and it has me really excited. So, loving this one, and I think that it's definitely going to be worth it. If you guys have noticed, my cuticles are pretty soft. That's because Earl East Lacquer is bringing you Special Agent Eliza 005. This cuticle oil is a tropical scent with notes of citrus, fresh squeezed oranges, lemon, pineapple, kiwi, coconut, banana, papaya, and strawberry. So, a lot of information about that cuticle oil. But the cool thing is that it also has jojoba, almond, and avocado in there. So this is going to be $9 and a cap of 20. You do get the cool, awesome rollerball and a replacement rollerball, just in case you like the more traditional application method. So that is going to be it for me today. If you're part of my nail fam, thanks for your time. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you guys enjoyed these polishes, leave me a like down below and let me know which ones are really popping out for you. As always, take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!